It's 1198, and as per usual, the Pope wants a crusade. As the boys of Europe were getting rowdy, everybody thought it was a great idea. "We need boats," said the Pope. "Go ask Venice for boats." "Hey, Venice, can we have some boats?" "Sure," said Venice. "All right, round up the men," said the Pope, as all the men were rounded up. "All right, so here's the plan. You all go to Venice, get in said boats, sail said boats to Egypt, attack Egypt." So, the Crusaders went to Venice and set sail. However, on the way, the Venetians decided to tell the Crusaders, "Oh, yeah, we do a lot of trade in Egypt, so how about we install this guy as the Emperor of Byzantium instead?" Sure. So the Crusaders headed out to Constantinople, the capital of the Byzantine Empire. Once they got there, they sacked it. Following the sacking, the Pope found out and excommunicated the Crusaders, thus ending the disaster of the Fourth Crusade.